Hello guys, and hello Papa. And today we're still in Taiwan, and we're still in the guiding thingy. And now we're at a place called the Golden Waterfall, I think, because the water from the waterfall coming from a mountain, it has a lot of minerals, so it makes the rocks near the water somewhat yellow and brown. See? You look at that. So much good things from Taiwan. Also the water. See that? Huh? Huh? Okay. Let's go to another view. Whoa.
Go to that side.
Yeah, let's go to that side.
That's where all the people are.
Okay. Whoa. Oh. Even look at that. Hello. So cool, guys. I would definitely recommend this. You can. And also, we're gonna go to the Spirited Away thingy later. But I think that's it now. Bye bye.